With his strong trunk, Chintu helped the monkey.
Thank you, Chintu. You're the best.
Kindness always comes back.